Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro. And right here I have cleaning tool, and from this cleaning tool I'm going to use these two brushes and also isopropyl alcohol. So don't worry about isopropyl alcohol, it doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. If you haven't cleaning tools, you can use a toothbrush and ear sticks. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol to the charging contacts, what located at the bottom of each earbud. So I'm going to apply this and to the right one. Also, inside the case we have charging contact, so I'm going to apply it in the charging case. Now for the charging case I'm going to use this brush, but as I said previously we can use ear sticks. And we need to clean it. Now let's clean the left one. Okay, next let's use this brush to use charging contacts on your earbuds. And on the right one. After that we can clean the grill. Remove ear tip from your earbuds. It's pretty simple, so don't worry. Now let's clean the left one. You need to make it softly. And then now let's attach it. Here we go. It's also pretty simple. Now I can put it to the charging case. Let's move to the right one. And also let's attach ear tip. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!